A home used to stand on this muddy, empty lot, but now only boxes of stuffed animals and hearts remain, symbols of love and loss.
I just see just 4 people lost their life in a tragic fire where I tried to help and everything, did the best I could.
Nakia Starks was home the night her neighbor's home caught fire on Hillview Road back in late January.
I pray for the family.
4 people died. Cleveland firefighters said cold and windy conditions made fighting the fire difficult and dangerous. Crews were unable to enter the house and had to fight the fire from outside.
It was just happened so fast. Everything just happened so fast. And when we called 911, they said they was on their way. It just seemed like it just went in flames too quick.
Firefighters said the home did not have working smoke detectors. And on Saturday, CFD is stressing their importance during a fire.
Gives them the best opportunity to get out of the house, and it gets the fire department a chance to get there and minimize the damage.
Daylight savings time is a good time for a reminder, according to firefighters.
Smoke alarms should be located on every floor of the house and anywhere where people sleep.
They say you cannot say it enough because unfortunately fires happen every day, but maybe having one of these in working order can help prevent tragedy.